Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust side mirrors in Chery Tiggo 8. So it is very simple. I will show you here. So on this screen, you will go into vehicle settings, then this quick control here, and if you just scroll down there, you will see exterior mirror adjustment. Click this one, and when you see this screen, then you will come to the steering wheel, and from these controls you can adjust left side mirror. So left side mirror you will adjust with these controls, this side ones, and to adjust right side mirror you will use these controls on the steering wheel. So it is that simple. That's it, but it took me a while to figure out. I hope you like this video.